Hello, here is Zmotion Technology. The channel is mainly for our super high-speed real-time EtherCAT motion control card XPCIE1032H. Show you what is it and how to use step. In lesson 1, it showed how to install its drive software. Now, let's see one C# routine, which includes C# connection, command interaction period test. Also, you can refer to corresponding article together. After the card is inserted and the drive MotionRT 7 is installed, open MotionRT 7 and add the card. Then start. Next, develop C# motion control project. Generally, for one new project, the first thing is to add Zmotion C# library file. It can be obtained from here. Our website download page. Choose suitable one, 32-bit or 64-bit. Download it and compress it. Then, find these 3 files. Next, please follow steps to add them into your project. Step 1. Put zmco.cs file into project root directory. That is, same level as bin. Step 2. Copy another 2 DLL files into project debug of bin. Step 3. Open the project, show all files. Then, right-click zmco.cs file, contain it in the project. Step 4. Double-click Form 1. At the beginning, write using XPCIIe. Then statement the card handle G handle. Like this. Now, we provide one C# test routine. It mainly tests the speed of one single command and multi-command with different connection methods. You can get the routine from the corresponding article, or contact us. It has already done above operations. Therefore, open it directly. Input local IP address here. For IP address, you could check it in RTSys or Z-Develop software. RTSys is one development, debugging, and diagnosis software made by Zmotion. For RTSys usage, please check user manual or former videos. So, how to check? Controller, connect. This position shows local IP. Back to C# routine. Let's test Ethernet connection speed at first. Connect. Choose 10,000 times at first. Click Test. It can be seen the single command interaction period is about 32 us. For multi-command, about 123 us. Test another. Disconnect at first. Connect through local. Same, 10,000 times. Test. See the result. For one single command, it only has 5.6 us. For multi-command, only about 18 us. Obviously, local methods is faster a lot than IP. How it can do this? Let's check it from routine codes. By C# or other languages, Zmotion provides one uniform function commands. All commands can be known from Zmotion PC Programming Manual. You also can get it from Zmotion download page. This is routine UI interface. Part 1, Connection. Part 2, Speed Test Configuration and Result Showing. See Part 1, Connection Related. In this routine, use Fast Open to connect. Here shows which parameters you need to enter. The first one, enter connection method, 5 means local. The second one, give one local character string. The third one, connection timeout time. The fourth one, the connection handle. See Part 2, How to Test. Use before DT to record the system time before testing. Make one loop, several interactions will be done in cycle. Then, use after DT to record now time when test completed. Calculate the difference between two time to obtain interaction period and total time consumption. These data will be shown here. To test multiple commands. At first, encapsulate several commands in CMD character string. After that, use execute function to send online command. Then use command_buff to receive returned string. Exact return data can be checked in RTSys or Z-Develop. Test, same as single command test. Use one loop, record the time, and calculate the difference, show the data. Okay, Lesson 2 of 1 C# routine for XPCIE1032H card learning is over. Thank you for your watching. Next lesson, EtherCAT initialization will come. See you next time.